Hello, in front of me I've got BYD ATTO 2. In this video I'll show you all safety features installed in this car. Let's start with ISOFIX. This car has ISOFIX latches on both rear outer seats. Also, passenger doors are equipped with child lock in case you need it. Take a look at the airbags. This car has multiple of them. Firstly, we can find two front airbags. Sometimes there is driver knee airbag. We've got side and curtain airbags, total of 6. Now, let's take a look at the car's system. Let me start the car. And on the screen display, we can find traffic sign assistant, adaptive cruise control, and also speed limiter. The car is equipped with 360 camera and multiple safety systems. Let me show it. Let's go to Home and Settings. Now, the car is equipped with daytime running lights and courtesy lights, auto lock windows and doors, auto close windows, and in ADAS we can find intelligent cruise control, adjust cruise control by accelerator, lane keeping assist, door open warning, blind spot detection, assist mode, alert mode, adjust speed on curve, emergency braking, rear collision warning, forward collision warning, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, intelligent speed limit warning. Also, the car is equipped with parking assistant. As you can see, it's really high tech in this car. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.